Okay, once you log in, what you'll have to do is whatever numbers associated with Joseph, you need to give him the calendar. So if the pretend support is Joseph, you just add it there. You hit the save button right here, and it'll give you the update successful. So now when he goes sends SMS or use the importer, it will give him both options to use the calendar. Also, what you'll need to do is go scroll all the way down to the settings dashboard, click on manage users. You'll have two users here. Pretend that this one that says support test is Joseph's. You're going to click on it. You're going to hit edit on the top right hand side. And right here is going to give them the role. If you give them the administrator role, it will give them use to see all calendars and all importer tools. That's the way that he'll be able to see which SMSs he's uploaded successfully. Once you do that, scroll down, bottom right hand side, hit save. Update was successful, and then just have him log out, log back in, and he'll be ready to go. If you have any other questions, please let us know. Appreciate it. Have a good day.